हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे विल वी डिस्कस अबाउट मुल्क राज आनंद। ओके, आज का हमारा टॉपिक क्या है? मुल्क राज आनंद के बारे में बात करेंगे। इनका बॉर्न 12 दिसंबर 1905 को पेशावर में हुआ था। इनकी डेथ 28 सितंबर 2004 को पुणे में हुई थी। इंडियन राइटर इन इंग्लिश के हैं ये, नोटेबल फॉर हिज डिपिक्शन ऑफ द लाइव्स of the poorer caste in traditional Indian society, one of the pioneer of Indo-Anglo fiction. His writing career began in England, where he used to publish short reviews in T.S. Eliot's magazine Criterion. He won the Sahitya Academy Award for his novel The Morning Face 1968. He was honored with Padma Bhushan, India's third last civilian award, in 1967 for his vast contributions towards the field of literature and education. Mulkraj Anand opened a brand new phase of writer of fiction together with Raja Rao and R.K. Narayan. He produced a fantastic work of English literature, and his mastery in the realistic and sympathetic portrayal of the exploited magnificence of Indian society marks his genius as a socially devoted novelist. Hence, he is not always simply recognized as India's Charles Dickens. However, he also considers the mission of India's Charles Dickens have nots unloved, downtrodden, and unwanted. The exploitation of the oppressed in Indian society made him conscious of their painful and pathetic condition and framed the main subject of his works. Mulkraj Anand's novel. Mulkraj Anand admired for his novels and short stories. His writings are rich with the realistic and touching portrayal of the problem of the common man. He wrote numerous articles and essays on Marxism, Indian independence, and other political issues. His novel deals with untouchability, exploitation, power, and the suffering of the Indian masses. He noted for their perspective insight into the lives of the oppressed and their analysis of exploitation and misfortune. The exploitation of the oppressed in Indian society made him conscious of their painful and pathetic condition and framed the main subject of his works. His writing mirrored his pressing social concern, preoccupations, social impulse, and made the reader boldly aware of the exploitation confronted through the heart-throbbing description in their wretched state painted with the colors of social realism. Mulkraj Anand's novels Untouchable and Coolie mirror the brutal center fact of the Indian society of the early years of 20th century. नॉवेल्स हैं इनके अनटचेबल 1935 में लिखा है, अक्रॉस द ब्लैक क्वार्टर्स 1939 में, द स्वॉर्ड एंड द सिकल 1949, कुली 1936 में, द प्राइवेट लाइफ ऑफ एन इंडियन प्राइस 1953, द विलेज 1939. Mulkraj Anand's novel Untouchable and Coolie mirror the brutal center fact of the Indian society of the early years of 20th century. Written with a motive, each of his novels condemned the contemporary day capitalistic Indian society and feudal machine for the shameless and tragic exploitation of the bad and underdog. There is not any real, actual, and so mirrored image of the society in each of the novel, coping with a comparable valuable subject of social exploitation. अनटचेबल जो उनका वर्क है, बेस्ट नोन वर्क इज नॉवल अनटचेबल 1935 में को जाना जाता है. इट इज़ अ स्टोरी ऑफ सिंगल डे इन द लाइफ ऑफ वाकम. अ टॉयलेट क्लीनर सफ़र्स फ्रॉम द फ्रस्ट्रेशन बिकॉज ऑफ द इनह्यूमैनिटी ऑफ हायर क्लास पीपल. वो क्या है, पीड़ित किया जाता है. वो एक टॉयलेट क्लीनर होता है जिसको हायर क्लास के पीपल उसको परेशान है यानी परेशान करते हैं. आनंद शोज द सेटअप ऑफ सोसाइटी, कस्टम, रिलीजन, बिलीफ, कास्टिसिज्म एंड सोशल इश्यूज ऑफ प्री इंडिपेंडेंस इंडिया. There is not any real, actual, and so mirrored image of the society in each of the novels, coping with the comparable valuable subject of social exploitation, the exploitation of the downtrodden and the underprivileged due to the cuts of untouchability. Some other causes of exploitation were poverty, hunger, infant labor, social governance, social installation of society, customs, spiritual belief, prejudices, and the struggling of the Indian lords by means of the forces of colors of social realism in Untouchable and Coolie. The epic-like novels of Mulkraj Anand to ring a bell inside the hearts of the conscious Indians through a lovely and actual existence portrayal of the exploited lords of Indian society. नेक्स्ट है कुली. ये जो कुली है इनकी पब्लिश्ड हुई है 1936 में. द प्लॉट मूव्स अराउंड अ 14-year-old बॉय मुन्नू. ये जो कहानी है वो एक 14 साल के लड़के मुन्नू के इर्द गिर्द घूमती है एज अ विक्टिम ऑफ एन एक्सप्लोइटेटिव सिस्टम. हिज इनोसेंट लाइफ इज क्रश्ड अंडर द क्रुएल्टी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. मुन्नू एक्सपीरियंस ऑल द नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. His journey from innocence to experience is mediated through ideology of suppression and empowerment. Coolie, the evil of class system, which is a greater than caste system and suffering and problem of the outcast. Two Leaves and a Word 1937 deals with the topic of oppression of the poor about a peasant who tries to protect his daughter from a British soldier. ये मुल्कराज आनंद के नॉवेल हैं. आनंद vehemently attacks the British tea garden owners and Indian merchants for their inhuman treatment of the labourers, exploitation of one at the hand of the other. His novels also aims at wiping away social barriers and orthodoxy, caste system and communalism. His themes depict the complex social structure of society and humanity of man. Anand's novel Social Reality. Through his writing, he exposed several of India's evil practices. Most of his work are commentary on the social structure of his time. He attacks casteism and classism. His deep sorrow and sympathy for the unfortunate poor and their inability to cope with circumstances. Taboos of caste untouchability, the blind belief in superstitions, humanity of people, which is very reality of India. Mulkraj Anand by his novel shows very realistic picture of India. इनका करियर है. ही बिकेम अ राइटर इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. एज इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज पब्लिशर्स वर मोर ओपन टू पब्लिश द काइंड ऑफ थीम्स he wrote on. His writing career began in England, where he used to publish short reviews in T.S. Eliot's magazine Criterion. During the 1930s and 1940s, he was very active in politics and spoke regularly at the meetings of India League, which was founded by Krishnan Menon. Over this period, he became acquainted with the likes of intellectuals such as Bertrand Russell and Michael Foot, and authors like Henry Miller and George Orwell. He was deeply influenced by M.K. Gandhi. His first novel, Untouchable, was published by the British firm Wishart in 1935. The story was about a day in the life of Baka, who has to become a toilet cleaner just because he belongs to the untouchable caste. The novel was seen as a poignant reminder of the atrocities of the caste system in India. Major works. His best-known work was the novel Untouchable, which tells of the story of a boy, Baka, who was destined to become a toilet cleaner just because of his caste. The plot revolves around what happens when he meets an upper caste man and encounters atrocities. Awards and achievements. He was honored with the Padma Bhushan, India's third highest civilian award, in 1967 for his vast contributions towards the field of literature and education. He won the Sahitya Academy Award मिला है इनको मॉर्निंग फेस के लिए 1968. Personal life and legacy. He met actress Kathleen Van Gelder in London and the couple married in 1938. Their union produced a daughter. The marriage, however, unrevealed, and the couple divorced in 1948. In 1950, he married Shirin Majumdar, a classical dancer. He died in 2004 at the age 98. इनकी 98 में डेथ हुई. Last conclusion. Kulli novel shows the slave system of India. Untouchable novel deals with character Baka as a sweeper boy and his suffering, belonging a lower class to lives and a worth theme of exploitation. We can say Anand's novel presents social reality of India, which is very deeply rooted in that time. Next, literary style. Anand, who was associated with communism, used his novels to make broad attacks on various elements of India's social structure and on British rule in India. They are considered important for their social statements. Okay, thank you. That's it. Thank you for watching.